how to make idle animation in Roblox Studio. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Roblox Studio right here and open your game. And then once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to click the play button. So just click the play button right there. And then on the right screen, under the Explorer, just click the workspace. So click the drop down button and then you will see your character. So all you have to do is to click that also. And then what we're going to do is to right click on the animate and then click copy. So once you do that, let's stop this. And then on this part, what we're going to do is to paste it. So on the workspace, just right click and then click paste into. You will not be able to see the animate. So what we're going to do next is to go here on the starter player. And then for the starter character scripts, what we're going to do is to drag this right there. And then once it is done, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the avatar and then click the rig builder. And then after that, click block avatar right there. And then in this part, click the animation editor and then click on the dummy, which is right here. And then what we're going to do next is to just animate this. So let's say, for example, we're going to click this on the first part. So just animate that. And then let's put the time, which is right here. Let's put that back. Then let's put this one also. And then once it is done, let's say, for example, that you're not done with your animation, all you have to do is to just click this toggle looping animation. So make sure that you do that and then click the three dots again and then click set animation priority into idle. After that, click this and then click publish to Roblox and then just name it whatever you want and then click save. After you do that, just copy the ID of it. So just click the close button right here. And then what we're going to do next is to double click on the animate. And then in this part, just scroll down until you see the idle. We have here 3. So what we're going to do is to replace these numbers with the ID that we've just copied earlier. Same goes for this one and this one. And then after that, of course, what we're going to do is to click publish to Roblox. And then once you do that, you can now try it if it is working. That is how to make idle animation in Roblox Studio.